Hello, in front of me I've got THRUSTMASTer T248X. In this video I'll show you how to adjust rotation angle of the steering wheel. Firstly, let's enter THRUSTMASTer T248X control panel. You can do it by selecting your steering wheel from Device Manager and double pressing on it. Next, you can adjust the angle right here. You can set it between 140 degrees and 900 degrees. Then you can set default. You can also check current angle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.